Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, I am Hassam Saeed from gshares.com, a website which is being managed by me and my friend Rashid Anwar. This video is continuation of series of videos on NRP Limited Management Information System. In this video, I will be giving you a demo on product addition, category addition and subcategory addition in the Management Information System of NRP Limited. Let me first show you the product database structure which our client is using to manage his products. Client product database have multiple categories and each category have multiple subcategories attached to it, and each subcategory have a specific product attached to it. In simple words, every product have a category and a subcategory. Therefore, in order to add a product, user have to ensure in which category and subcategory new product falls. If product category or subcategory already exist, then user can simply add product directly. Else, he will have to first add category or subcategory depending on the situation. Let me add the product with name test product having a category name test category and a subcategory name test subcategory. In order to do that, let's move to admin panel. In menu, click on the cards, and in products menu, click on the add products or service. Now click on the category text field. You can see all existing categories and test category doesn't exist in the list. Even if you type test category, then system will alert you that category couldn't be found in database. Please add this as a new category or else select a valid category. Therefore, we will first add category. In order to add a category, in products menu, click on add category. Then in text box, write new category name. Then click on the submit button and data is submitted successfully. Click OK. I hope you must have remembered that every category have a subcategory. Therefore, it's time to add a subcategory of test category. Now in products menu, click on add subcategory. Then click select test category for category field. Then in subcategory text field, type test category, type test subcategory. And then click on the submit button. Subcategory is successfully added. Click OK. Now we are ready to add product in the database. In products menu, click on add product or service. Then select category. Then select subcategory. And then type the product name. Before submitting the form, let me show you Google Sheets database. Last added item is test 3 in row number 824. Now coming back to management information system, let me submit the form. Product is added successfully in the database. Now let's move back to Google Sheets to check whether it's added there. As you can see, newly added product can be seen in row 825. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any question, then feel free to contact us on our Facebook page